Hi everyone, I am Sesti. In this video, I will share how to demonstrate appropriate knot making technique to be used during recreational activity. I will share 6 types of the knots that are very useful in the camping. The 6 types of knots are overhand knots, fisherman knots, clove hinge knots, full half hinge knot, bowline, and square knots. The first knot is the overhand knot. It is the simplest of the single strand stopper knots. It also can be used to prevent the end of a piece of the rope from unraveling. To tie the overhand knot, first form a loop and pass the end through it. Then tighten it to form the overhand rope. Finally, when pulled tight, it can function as the simple stopper knot. The second knot is the fisherman knot. It adds additional turns in each overhand knot for a more secure knot. It is also used for joining small ropes, twines, or fishing line. To tie the knot, first, using the working end of one rope, tie a slip knot around the other rope. Next, using the working end of the second rope, tie a slip knot around the first rope on the standing end side of the first knot. Finally, pull the standing ends of both ropes until knots slide together. The third knot is the glove knot. It is used as a crossing knot. It is also used to secure lines running around with a series of pulls, belaying, starting, lashing, and it also used to fix weight binding. To tie the knot, first pass the end of the rope around the pole. Then continue over the standing end and around the pole a second time. Finally, thread the end under itself and pull tight to form the glove hinge. The fourth knot is the two half hinge knot. It is used in many circumstances to tie a rope and to a post or ring. It also can be used to set up the tent. To tie the knot, first pass the rope around the pole, around itself, and then between the rope to make a half hinge. Finally, go around the rope again to make the second half hinge. The fifth knot is the bowline knot. It used to fasten a mooring line to a ring or a post. It also used as a rescue knot in cases. To tie the knot, first form a small loop leaving enough rope for the desired loop size. Then pass the end of the rope through the loop as through making an overhand knot. Finally, continue around the standing end and then back through the small loop. The sixth knot is the square knot. It used to tie a sail cover a sail. It is also used to tie up bundles and packages and tie a bandage. To tie the knot, first take 2 rods and cross them to form a half knot. Finally, cross them a second time and pull the ends tight to form the square knot. Thank you for watching. Hope everyone enjoyed it. Bye!